Welcome to SY Learning Channel. Mispronounced words Schwartz jokes.
3, 2, 1!
Let's start.
Comfortable, comfortable. Wednesday, Wednesday. Colonel, Colonel. Mischievous, mischievous. Clothes, clothes. Stay smart, stay funny, and remember it's pronunciation, not pronunciation. Bye. Thanks for watching SY Channel.